Hello everyone. In this particular video, we will be studying about the select and from statements in SQL. And using these statements, we will be writing our first SQL query to extract the required data from a database. To write the query, we also need a query editor. For simplicity and learning purpose, I would recommend using the More SQL editor, which has a very simple interface, and also there are many preloaded datasets on which we can work. So let us start. On Google, you can directly search for More SQL editor and you can open the link by mode. To continue, you will have to sign up using your email ID or your Google account. And once you sign in, this page will open. On the home page, you will have to click this plus button or the new report button. On clicking this button, a new report or the SQL query editor will open. On the right hand side, we have a list of preloaded datasets on mode, which we can use for learning purpose. Now let us start writing our first SQL query. To get data from a database, we need to select which part of the data we want. So for that we use select statement. So we write select, and after this we need to specify the names of the columns which we need to select from the table. So suppose at first I need to select all the columns present in the table. So to select all the columns, we can write star, which will select all the columns that are present in the table. Now we have specified what all columns we need to select. After that, we have to specify from which table of the database we have to select the columns. So for that, we have to write the from statement. So for that, I'll write from, and then I will specify from which table of which database I need to get my data from. So over here, I have the tutorial database, and from this, I will get the data from the city populations table. So for that, I will write first the name of the database. Over here, it will be tutorial, and then I will write dot followed by the name of the table that I need to get the data from. So I will write city population, and after that I will run this query. Here we go. We got all the data present in the city population table. Now suppose instead of selecting all the columns, I want to select only two of the specified columns. That is, I want to select only city and state. So instead of star, I can write the names of the columns, that is city and state, separated by comma. And now if I'll run this query, we got the data of only two columns, which we specified in the select statement. So that was all about the select and from statements in SQL. Moving ahead in this tutorial series, we will study how we can filter this data out based on different parameters and how we can present this data in different formats or in different ways. Till then, if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.